Ever get the feeling you've been cheated?
Spur my natural emotions. You make me feel underhurt and I'm hurt. And if I start a commotion, I run the risk of losing you, and that's worse. Ever fall in love with someone? Ever fallen in love with someone? Ever fall in love with someone you should have fallen in love with?
And is he really thinking about running for president?
Joining me now live, the man himself, Michael Avenatti.
Let's talk to somebody who understands the system very well. Michael Avenatti.
He's Donald Trump's worst nightmare. Michael Avenatti.
Did the president just get a new challenger for 2020? Stormy Daniels' lawyer, Michael Avenatti, may have just tossed his hat into the ring.
Looking ahead to 2020, one reason why I'm taking you seriously as a contender is because of your presence on cable news.
My celebrity crush right now, Governor Cuomo.
Do you think that you are an attractive person now because you're single and ready to mingle? Do you really think you are some desirable single person?
It's okay. These feelings are perfectly natural. Many Americans experience moments of being at least Andrew curious, if not fully Cuomo-sexual.
Trevor, you call yourself a Cuomo-sexual, and I agree with you. I feel like I'm a Cuomo-sexual too.
Some people are calling themselves homosexuals, and there's a group of women who came out and they said, we're falling in love with Cuomo.
I'm ready for my boyfriend to come on.
Justin Trudeau would be a good guest. I'd like to talk to him.
I mean, it's hard to make fun of him. I do have a photo of him on my desktop.
Very pretty. He's very, very pretty.
The finest world leader currently.
I just hope that people would talk less about my hair and more about the great plans we have for growing the Canadian economy, and yet
It's been such an exciting visit for me to come and visit your parliament.